It was a mission that captivated audiences across the world, and now images have revealed the dramatic moment Orion was safely recovered into the huge well deck of the USS Anchorage. A combined U.S. Navy and NASA team successfully towed the spacecraft out of the water after a flawless launch and landing. And Orion, which will one day take astronauts to an asteroid and ultimately Mars, will be brought triumphantly back to shore later today. The successful retrieval of Exploration Flight Test 1, EFT-1, was part of a U.S. government interagency effort to test recovery techniques for future space flights. But although this was Orion's first trip to space, it is actually the fifth at-sea testing of a module using the Navy well deck recovery method, although the others had used mock UPS. 4 tests were conducted prior to the flight to prepare the recovery team and make sure everything went smoothly. The first test was conducted at Naval Station Norfolk, Virginia in August 2013. The others were conducted earlier in 2014, known as Underway Recovery Tests, URTs. The USS Anchorage was ultimately chosen for EFT-1 as it has a combination of capabilities suited to assist NASA with the Orion recovery. A specially trained bridge team were also used throughout the duration of the recovery. Divers attached lines from the small boats to guide the capsule toward Anchorage, where a NASA-designed winch hauled the capsule into the well deck. Orion is meant to be reused, which is why we tailored this recovery to accommodate keeping the capsule safe, said Navy Diver First Class Matthew DeMyers of Explosive Ordnance Disposal Mobile Unit 11. And Chief Bosun's Mate Jason B. Roberts, Deck Department Leading Chief Petty Officer, added, "We practiced this recovery many times with safety as the #1 priority." The sailors were focused and completed the mission at hand successfully. "I couldn't be more proud of our sailors and the work they accomplished here today.